Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Estonia. We're continuing our Baltic cruise on Royal Caribbean's Brilliance of the Seas. We're going to explore the Old Town in Tallinn, Estonia. Tallinn is the largest city and capital of Estonia. It's located in the Gulf of Finland, and today we will be going to the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Old Town. Old Town has a rich history as a Hanseatic port. This city has been under Danish, Swedish, Russian, and Soviet rule before becoming the capital of independent Estonia in 1991. Old Town is a medieval city with cobblestone streets, Gothic architecture, and historic walls. It's just a short walk once you get into the city to get to Town Hall Square. Here you will see the merchant tents and shopping. When you walk around Tallinn, you will see old churches, buildings, and fortifications. You'll also see lots of cobblestone streets, so wear comfy shoes. And just a heads up for those with difficulty walking, there are some steps in town. They aren't steep, so you can go at your own pace. If you can't do the stairs, there are cobblestone inclines. Either way, comfy shoes are a good idea. After spending the morning looking at the beautiful architecture, we stop for a bite to eat. This is Pub Kompressor. Here we had some crepes and appetizers. It was a good place to sit, relax, and enjoy some good food. When you walk around Tallinn, you'll see the city's defensive walls, which they constructed in 1265. You'll also see defensive towers. This is Pik Herman. Pik Herman is an historic defensive tower that dates back to 1360. This tower was the first place the flag of Estonia was flown when it became its own country in 1918. It's located behind Toompea Castle, which is where Estonia's parliament is held. And it's just a few minutes walk from Town Hall Square. Just a short walk from Pik Herman is Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. This is an Eastern Orthodox cathedral built from 1894 to 1900. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral is open daily and year-round. Hours are usually 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. with free admission. As always, check their website for the most up-to-date information for your visit. One thing we loved about Tallinn is the courtyards you'll see while walking through the Old Town. They're like hidden gems. You'll also see old alleyways. One in particular is St. Catherine's Passage. St. Catherine's Passage is a charming cobblestone alley connecting some streets in Old Town. This passageway has remnants of the old monastery and is picturesque with lots of shopping. If you're enjoying our video and learned something new, we'd appreciate it if you hit like and subscribe. It's free and will let us know that you want more of our videos to head your way. After walking around the rest of the day, we worked up an appetite and wanted to try this restaurant we heard about. Old Hansa is a popular medieval-themed restaurant in Old Town. This restaurant is an immersive experience with staff in medieval dress, period music, and food made from historical recipes and period-appropriate furniture. The dining room is lit with candles since there's no modern electricity in the guest areas. Menu highlights include game, boar, and venison, and unique drinks like honey beer and pepper schnapps. In our opinion, the unique atmosphere makes it a must-try. Put it on your to-do list when you visit Old Town Tallinn. It's definitely something different and fun for the family to try. Next up is something interesting we learned while we were in Tallinn. Some of the doors in Tallinn are popular with the tourists. This is a door to the Brotherhood of Blackheads Guild, and it's one of the most photographed doors in Tallinn. This group participated in the defense of Tallinn during an uprising between 1343 and 1345. Let us know in the comments if you've been on a Baltic cruise, and if so, which ports did you see and which one was your favorite? We will list all the information from today's video in the description box along with our top travel items. After a busy sightseeing day, it was time to head back to the cruise port. And here we are back at the brilliance of the seas. In our vintage traveler's opinion, our Baltic cruise with Royal Caribbean was one of the best cruises we've ever taken, both from a destination and cruise ship perspective. Click the notification bell to be notified when our video on the brilliance of the seas is released. Thank you for joining us vintage travelers as we explore Tallinn Estonia today. See you at the next video. Bye for now.